Ona muhuhu wa tekore ya bunge mamukirire mahaki niguo magwithie riboti igiie cukari utananiara uhoro ungi ni uhithukite wa uria amemba kamiti ya Seneta irathuthuragia ngucanio ya mugunda wa Ruaraka nimahinyiriirie Francis Buru uria ni muhuri biashara kiumbe na uria ukoretwo ugikora githuriro-ini kia ngucanio ino amakunjurire kanyamu niguo endererwo. Kuringana na Buru uria ureketie kwandikithia ndumiriri ona gutemania wira wa migambo ya Seneta Zaya mbere ya ruhonge rwa uthuthuria guku bururi-ini nirwo DCI, amemba na kamiti no mamuhinyagiriria marihe ciringi mirioni 100 niguo mandike riboti kuringana na uria kwenda ndeto iria areganire nayo. No muikariri gite wa kamiti no ya CPIC Moses Kajwang nireganite na ndeto ino kurigitwo ni muhutare na murugamo wothe na muhuri biashara uyu arageria kurehe iremithia niguo ndakae gukinyukira ikinya riake watho ni kwendia mugunda wa muingi niguo egune we mwene.
It is not surprising that Francis Mburu has chosen to distract attention from his alleged criminal acts. Alongside his partners in crime, they have attempted all tricks to frustrate our inquiry and to suppress the truth.
Kajwang ni oritie speaker wa bunge ya Senate Kenneth Lusaka obe kamiti ya mwanya guthuthuria ndeto ino niguo mwokorikane kuriendekithitie senators reme ukorwo makinyitekana na mahitia makinyukire ikinya riake watho.
If the recordings are validated, because you can't just say that you had someone on a recording and then you confirm. There's a process for validation. If it is validated, if Powers and Privileges Committee confirms that some members acted dishonorably, the sanctions are there in the Act. And I would encourage the Speaker and the committee to enforce the sanctions.
Thini wa riboti iria yatamanirio bunge-ini ya Senate cimigire hituku ni kamiti no thutha uthuthuria wa ukonaine na mugunda uyu wa Ruaraka mendekithagia muhuri biashara uyu athuthurio na wona anyitikana na mahitia kinyukirio ikinya riake watho ciringi bilioni 1.5 iria mukirite marehi ma mugunda uyu kugerera kambuni yake ya Frisoni Shokio. Mihango ya kurekereria thiri uria atarehirwo wa ciringi bilioni 1.7 irugamio. Minister wa giteri wa thiini Dr. Fred Matiang'i udomwe na mwandiki mukaru thiini wa Ministry ya Githomo Belio Kipsang mathuthurio. Directors a kambuni ya Hewlands, Afrison na Whispering Palms makinyukirio makinya make watho gatagate ka mendekithia mangi. Kuria Kajwang augete matiko guoyohio ginyagia kihoto kionekane.
What worries me is not the unsolicited advances that members of the committee were faced with. What worries me are the threats. There were threats even on our lives.
Uhoro uyu ukite thiku nini tu thutha wa kamiti ya EACC gutwara affidavit igoti-ini irironania mibango yothe ya uria thuguri ya mugunda uyu yatwarithirio na mbere.
We also request the Director of Criminal Investigations to focus on unearthing the truth about the massive theft of funds in Ruaraka. There is more than meets the eye in the charade and ping-pong between EACC, DCI and DPP on this matter.
Gukinyiria riu munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI George Kinoti ni ugite ne kurutira wara di senators ariothe kurekwirwo ni marendaga mahe uhaki ya gwikinyia mbere yake niguo mandikithie ndumiriri.